Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing really well. If you're new to the channel, hello, my name is Sandra and welcome. So today I have 3 dresses from Sezane, 3 casual dresses, very relaxed feel, dresses perfect for summer vacations, for weekends. I will talk you through these 3 dresses and I will also style them in several ways when possible. Especially this one that I'm wearing, that is a shirt dress. I will be styling in several different ways for several different occasions. This is the perfect dress for vacations and during the video you will find out why. I will show you why I think this is the perfect dress to take on your next summer vacations. Okay, let's start. You have this dress. This is size 38 or US 6 and as you see it's really oversized. However, these kinds of dresses are meant to be like this. If you see, I can almost fit 2 of me inside this dress. But I love this kind of dresses. First of all, they are very relaxed feel, very casual, perfect for the holidays and even for a city break. Let's see how we can style this dress so that it doesn't look like a potato sack. So first of all, roll the sleeves up. I don't like to roll my sleeves like that. This isn't flattering. Instead, you just roll one time the cuff and then pull everything up. Then adjust the sleeves so that it can be more flattering. Also, you can place your collar up. I like to open at least 3 buttons. This is a really thick cotton fabric, high quality, very comfortable on the skin. However, it's a fabric that if you belt it, it will look like a balloon. So what I rather do to kind of shape this dress is wearing a crossbody bag. I'm styling this blue and ecru striped dress with green accents. I just love green and blue together. And so I wear my bag like that and you see that it kind of shapes my silhouette. As you see, here the bag almost kind of naturally makes some pleats in the dress and folds the dress in the right way. So I think this is an amazing way to style a really oversized dress to give it some shape. This outfit with this kind of sandals and this kind of bag is perfect for a city walk, a city stroll, perfect for vacations, but you can also style this dress even more casually. And I'm going to do that in a minute. You may agree with me that this bag being crossbody is already bringing some shape to this otherwise oversized dress. So, another outfit with the same dress. Now I'm going to be wearing my sandals. These are from last year, but they are still available, so I will leave the link down below. I have this small to medium basket bag with brown tan details that I just love. I think with these kind of sandals and a straw bag, despite the dress is really oversized, I think it's a very casual, relaxed way to wear a dress in the summer. Because when the weather is really hot, these kind of flowy and wider dresses are perfect because you won't feel restricted, it will cover your skin, you won't be too hot, it's really breezy. But if you want, you can also wear this basket bag crossbody. It is meant to be crossbody. The length is perfect on me. It's not too short. The fabric is not see-through, which is amazing. This shade of blue is just so beautiful. It's like a denim blue. It's really beautiful. I think this is one of my favorite dresses for summer. I'm on vacation and I need a dress to go for a dinner out. So instead of doing my buttons, I crossed both front parts and secured with a pin. Then I changed for a pair of gold sandals. These ones are last year from Sézane. And I'm going to be wearing my clutch a dinner at the resort. Another way is belting the dress. If you belt the dress button up, you will be with extra fabric, too bulky. It doesn't look quite right and it doesn't work. The best is not doing the buttons. Again, crisscross both front parts and then play with doing some pleats, placing the belt. You can see even if this part opens, you have an extra, the other part covering your body. Nonetheless, if you want, you could wear some shorts, but I don't think it's necessary. Of course, I will not wear this dress to go to Lisbon, but on vacation, on a resort with two more compliments, with a pair of gold earrings and some gold accessories, and I have a dress to go dinner with a little bit of more glamorous. If you are petite, you can play even more with the fabric, but if you are taller than me, with a belt it won't work as it will be too short. I think this is quite short already, but on vacation, on the beach, on a resort, on the beaches, restaurants, I think it's perfect. One button, two buttons, and then where this end finishes and you tuck into your shorts. Then do the same for this side. So like that. I actually button 3 buttons, 1, 2, 3, and then tuck the both ends on my shorts like that, and I think it's perfect. It's like an oversized shirt, very long on the back, like that. I think it works. You can even open another button and open also the collar area like that and do a big V to be more relaxed, even more relaxed. I think this is also an easy way, a more relaxed way to wear this dress. It's beautiful, amazing dress. So many options. Now another way, wear it as a cover up over a total white base like I'm doing here with a white tank top and white tank top and white pair of linen shorts. And also over your bikini as a cover up for the pool, for the beach, very at ease. Voila! Plenty of ways to wear this simple dress, this extra casual, relaxed feel dress, and adapting it to plenty of occasions. This denim dress is also very beautiful. It's thick cotton, very smooth, very malleable, so very comfortable on the skin. I think the design, the cut of this dress is really beautiful. It has these puff sleeves that will enlarge my shoulder area, which is perfect since I have narrow shoulders. Also, it closes with these buttons, and it has this part, this placket inside, so even if you move and if you sit, this won't show your skin. Amazing details. Again, a very casual dress, not for the city in my opinion, for me at least at my age, but this is another summer dress, another vacation dress that I would definitely wear on my next summer vacations by the sea. It's very fresh, very airy. It's shorter than the Maxine. This one is size European 38, US 6, and this one is size European 40, US 8. I thought it was better to size up since I find it very short. So this is size 40, imagine size 38 would be impossible for me to wear as it will be too short. So if you are petite, these dresses are perfect for you. Sezane has also available a black version of this. I think it's a blend, linen and cotton blend. It's also very beautiful, I think with a straw bag. This one is not as versatile as the Maxine, but it's an easy dress for a picnic. So I think it's perfect for the beach, for my summer vacations. What do you think? Do you love this dress? But for summer vacations, I think it's a perfect dress. And the last dress of today's video, the Pipa dress in navy. I love this dress, I love the design. It's again an easy dress, very relaxed, very casual. I love this ruching detail, this tie detail that it has, that allows to create some shape around this area. You can walk very at ease. I'm wearing size medium. I think it's good, it's a great shape. This fabric is composed of a blend of cotton and elastane. I think it's 94% cotton and 6% elastane that gives this shape to the dress. It's like a t-shirt fabric but with elastane. And I think they used elastane in this case just because of this tie detail, that otherwise the fabric will be too creased. It's very comfortable. I love the navy color, so it's a casual, relaxed dress for the weekends. Both neckline that is also very flattering. They also have a short version with this black and white print that I just love. I don't need another short dress, so I went for the navy one, this longer version. I really think these dresses are perfect for our summer vacations by the sea, for city strolls. They are very relaxed, very casual. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, please give it a like. I would also love if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's wholeheartedly appreciated, and I would love you to be part of this amazing community that we are building here on YouTube. That's all for today. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye!